So welcome back to another review, and this time of the new Rikomagic MK06. It's based on the new Amlogic S905. It's a very cheap box, below $70 price tag, retail price, so it's pretty cheap. So let's start with the main specifications, and I'll do a quick unboxing of the box. Okay, it has a quad-core Amlogic, like I said, 64-bit Cortex A53 CPU. It has a new penta-core Mali 450 GPU, so it runs a bit faster, so maybe great for gaming also. Of course, it runs Android Lollipop 5.1 operating system. CPU clock frequency is up to 2 GHz. RAM is 1 GB, and internal storage is 8 GB. You have a micro SD card also option, so you can expand memory, storage memory, and it has of course Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's start with a quick unboxing. And start. This is the box, of course, and I'll show you all the accessories also inside. Okay, let's start with the remote control unit. Looks fine, pretty standard. Power supply unit, 5 volts, 2 amps, 2.5 amps. Also good quality. Standard HDMI cable, of course. OTG cable for updating the firmware, the software of the box, so you can upgrade to newer versions. You have user guide in English, of course, not in Chinese, so it's pretty good. Shows all the connections. And of course, this is the box. It has a nice nylon for protection. So let's start with the back. You have the power and optical connection also, a LAN connection, HDMI and OTG for updating the software of the device. And on the side, left side, you have 2 USB ports here and 1 micro SD card slot here. Bottom of the unit, you have a sticker of with the model number, of course, and you have a series of venting holes you can see here. This is the all button for updating the firmware. So this is the box, very high quality. You can see all wrapped with nylon here. Very glossy surface. So that's the box. Of course, I'll do a full review and also make a quick demo of the box, showing the performance under Kodi. So Amlogic really supports Kodi very nice. So I hope you enjoyed my quick unboxing of the Rikomagic MK06. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Bye.